Hey guys, welcome back to my channel after such a long time. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all of this mini furniture that I made with my grandpa. So I'm going to show you this miniature furniture one by one. But before that, I would like to say thank you to my grandpa for helping me make all these beautiful crafts. So first, I'm gonna show you the couch. So all of these things are made from recycled cardboard and paper. So there's nothing much else. And the couch, it has a beautiful blue border, and it's a bright red couch. Somebody can sit on it. And the next thing I'm going to show you is this awfully adorable bed. It has these two cute purple pillows and one purple blanket. It's just tucked inside here, so you can't see the border on this side. And we just put two little pink rectangles there just to make it look a little more cute. And yes, we're done with the bed. Now we're gonna move to the dressing table. So the dressing table, here's the mirror, and this is a drawer. It doesn't actually open, but you can just put your things, your hair comb and stuff like that on that. So next, the cupboard. Cupboard doesn't actually, close that well, so maybe I'll work on that a little bit. So we open the cupboard. Inside, there's a cute little backpack and maybe a grocery bag to put all our groceries in. And this purple cupboard. It has two shelves, and on the bottom, at the bottom, you can put anything you want. You might have seen that most of the things I have are purple. So the room theme is kind of purplish. So I'm gonna show you the fan. It's a ceiling fan and it's pretty golden, and I use popsicle sticks to make it. So you turn it like that. And now the table and chairs. These are also purple. This chair's kind of a little small, but that's okay. Here are the chairs, and it's a circle table with one leg. And here are the dinner mats. You can put your plate on it and then eat. Next, we have this cute black drawer. It has a blue flower on it, and it just opens like that. And it's made from matchboxes. Next, we have the washing machine. So there's something kind of funny about this. It's supposed to be a front load washing machine, but you kind of open it from the top. And inside we have a little dress and another extra blanket. And you can see all those buttons, the turn, you can put the soap inside, and yeah. That's the washing machine. Put that back inside. And last but not least, we have the refrigerator. So let's see what's inside. When we open it, there are side shelves. And in those side shelves, we have drinks, lollipops, a watermelon, canned juice, sauce, and a water bottle. And here we have shelves. Here there's a little division to make two. Close that and open the top one. I guess we haven't put anything in this one yet. But here
we have a small ice cream tray. And with that, we have some frozen food. Like a popsicle, ice cream, a pizza, a cupcake, and one more Yum.
So, you can also make all of these crafts at your house with cardboard and paper and other recycled stuff like that. I hope you like this video. Now, I'm gonna organize all of these things in my living room showcase. When I was making this, I thought that I could play with my Barbie in it, but when I was done making it, my Barbie just got lost. Guys, I hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe.